Good morning, guys. Please welcome to another vlog. And this is a very normal vlog since abhi puja is almost around the corner. आने वाला भी it's July and within 2 months puja will be there. So अभी मैं निकली हूँ, आज मैं अकेली ही निकली हूँ, आज कोई भी नहीं है for puja shopping. Not like exactly shopping, but just feel start कि देखते क्या मिल रहा है नहीं मिल रहा है. तो घर के आसपास ही डायमंड प्लाजा, जूडियो ये सब एक्सप्लोर करेंगे कि क्या कलेक्शन आया है एंड वील शेयर दैट विद यू आल्सो. The collection of shoes over here is so good. Just look at these slippers, they're so comfortable and they come at a price of 300. I really like these Instagrammy cute slippers. ये भी कितना सुंदर है. इसका प्राइस देखो, 300 only. यहाँ पे we have heels. These heels are also so good, all like Instagrammy and Pinterest kind of. So good colors also. So they have this amazing collection of Zudio sneakers which were like very vibrant and they were available at very reasonable prices. So let's have a closer look at them. So यहाँ पे there were these slide-ons or slippers which were available only for rupees 499, and I think these are perfect for this rainy season. Like you can easily wear and go out, and these are very comfortable and they are available in such perfect, beautiful prints. So they just look so funky as well. I got a few clothes and I'll try out these just to check how it looks on me. So firstly I tried this noodle strap white top, and इस टॉप को पहनने में मेरी पूरी जान निकल गई because it was so tight. Like I got an XS which is the size I wear, but still it was very tight. Literally it just could not fit me only. So the fitting was not good at all and I did not like the fabric. It was too unbreathable kind of cloth. Second, then I tried this another noodle strap of white printed top. I personally just like the fabric a lot. It was very comfortable, a very flowy, cute, Pinteresty kind of top. I think this was one of my favorites which I had picked. Then thirdly, I tried this yellow top. It was very comfortable and breathable material, but it was very transparent, like it was very much see-through. So I literally just ended up not buying any of the clothes which I had picked. सो ज़ूडियो में भी चेक्ड द कलेक्शन, आई डिड नॉट लाइक इट मच। वहाँ पे जो भी था या तो वो थोड़ा मेरे साइज़ के नहीं थे, एंड जो साइज़ के थे भी उतना अच्छा नहीं था, लाइक नथिंग स्पेशल और एनी। एंड सिंस इट वाज मोस्टली समर कलेक्शन एंड समर इज ऑलरेडी गोइंग, सो आई वांटेड समथिंग लाइक एथनिक एंड पूजा वाइब्स वाला, जो मुझे वहाँ पे नहीं मिला। तो ज़ूडियो से निकल के अभी वील गो टू डायमंड प्लाजा एंड वहाँ पे मैक्स पैंटलून्स में वील चेक द कलेक्शन, ये कुछ अगर नया इंटरेस्टिंग मिले और मे बी समथिंग ऑन सेल, सो लेट्स गो। For our Max, and this will be a Reliance Trends and we हर जगह सेल है, like if we see like there is sale of 70%. So I'm thinking which one to go first. Should I go to Max or Reliance Trends? I think we should go to Max because मुझे यहाँ collection पसंद है, so let's go there. There are these blouses also. I think it can be paired up with sarees. यहाँ पे भी kurtis हैं. These check t-shirts are at flat 500. इसका original cost is actually for 700, but यहाँ पे अभी sale चल रहा है, so these are all set sold for 500 each. Even these checkered shirts. Let's just check और क्या क्या prints है यहाँ पे. They have just these two varieties and rest बाकी अलग अलग shops. So there's a sale on the bag collection. They say that maybe 500 or 600 के prices में they are available. I really like the collection of bags over here. All different kind of varieties there. Shoulder bag, slings. Then I think this is also kind of shoulder bag. All the Gen Z trends. This is a jeans bag and the big ones also for laptop or office work. So after not getting much options in Max, I've come to Trends and checking out the jeans. यहाँ पे 50% off में है. These all are like wide legged jeans over here. Reliance Trends से I'm taking this cargo pants because this is the only thing which I liked and ये 30% off में भी है. So this is very comfortable and very good for summer rainy season for this whole weather. So I'm so tired after shopping for so long. So I've come here to have momo. ये रहा मोमो आ भी गया, veg steam momo from this nearby stall, Himalayan momo का. It sells really good momos. तो अब ये खाते हैं